In number 27 in your classwork for polynomial functions asks you to find the value of a such that the left and right hand sides of this equation are balanced. So in order to do that, we're going to have to expand the left hand side. So that's going to make us multiply out this 5x to the polynomial with 4 terms. And also this negative 2, same thing, multiply that out. So we have a 5x to the 4th plus 15x cubed minus 5a x squared plus 5x. And then for the negative 2, we'll have negative 2x cubed minus 6x squared. Then we have plus 2ax and minus 2 equals the right hand side of the equation, so 5x to the 4th plus 13x cubed minus 26x squared plus 13x minus 2. We can simplify the left hand side of the equation a little further, so we have 5x to the 4th. Then we have 15x cubed and a negative 2x cubed, so that gives us 13x cubed. And we also, actually that is it for the left hand side. We cannot simplify that much further. We have these a terms that really bother us over here. So just writing this one more time. This will be minus 6x squared plus 2ax minus 2 equals the right hand side. So now we can go ahead and cross out the same terms that we have on both sides of the equation. So we can go ahead and cross out this 5x to the 4th, this 5x to the 4th, cross out this 13x cubed, and we also can cross out this negative 2 constant. So we're left with some terms with x squares and some terms with just x raised to the 1. So in order for the left and right hand sides of this equation to be balanced, all the x squared terms on the left side must equal the x squared terms on the right side. So if I'm going to write this as a system of two equations now. So I'm going to look at the x squared terms. So I'm going to look at this term and this term, and I'll set that equal to this term on the right hand side. So I'll have negative 5a x squared minus 6x squared equal to negative 26x squared. Then I'm left with my x terms. So I have a 5x and a 2ax on the left hand side. So those must equal the right hand side x terms, which is a 13x. So we have 13x. Now we're going to go ahead and solve for a. So in this first system of equations, we can cross out all the x's, all the x squareds, actually, because they're just multiplied to each term. So we're left with negative 5a minus 6 equals negative 26. Adding 6 to both sides, we have negative 5a equals negative 20, then divided by negative 5. We know that a equals 4, and we can check if this is true for the x terms. So we'll have, we can subtract this 5x from both sides. We're left with 2ax is equal to 8x. Then we can divide by 2x, divide by 2x, and we're left with a equals 4. So this checks out, which means that our value of a is equal to 4.